High ticket coaches, consultants, and course creators. Give me just 15 minutes and I'll show you how to launch your own interactive AI expert in under 24 hours with Expert AIQ, the first ever AI platform that enables anyone to clone your expertise into a resellable, custom branded AI expert in just a couple clicks that can deliver personalized one-to-one coaching to unlimited clients and earn predictable recurring revenue on autopilot for you without trading your time for money ever again. Now, I know this may sound a bit hard to believe. I would be thinking the same thing too, but this is exactly what's possible now in this new AI era, and I'm going to prove it to you coming up very soon with a live demo inside of Expert AIQ. So right now in 2026, the number one question every high ticket coach, consultant, and course creator is asking themselves is, will AI replace me? Now, despite what you may hear from the clickbaiters on the internet, the answer is no, not at all. In fact, in this new world of generic AI slop, your proprietary knowledge, frameworks, and domain expertise are actually more valuable than ever before in history. And now, for the first time ever, there's a new way to monetize it at an infinite scale without trading your time for money ever again. Hello, my name is Mark Wallace, and in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how the top 1% of high-ticket coaches, consultants, and course creators like Alex Hormozi and Tony Robbins are launching their own custom AI platforms to infinitely scale their proprietary domain expertise to serve unlimited clients simultaneously without their own personal time, build self-improving AI-proof intellectual property assets that get more valuable with every single interaction while everyone else's courses become essentially worthless in this new AI era, deliver dramatically better client results with personalized AI guidance that handholds clients through each step of their programs, transforms their one-time course and coaching buyers into lifetime subscribers with consistent recurring revenue, the holy grail of business, and finally lock in a massive first mover advantage to dominate their competition before everyone starts catching on very soon over the next 6 to 12 months. Now, let me paint you a picture you probably recognize. You've spent years developing your expertise, maybe even decades. You've built custom frameworks that actually work, battle-tested strategies, real results. Your clients pay premium prices because what you teach is actually more valuable and different from the generic AI slop flooding the internet. But here's the problem. Your expertise is trapped inside of your head. The only way to deliver it is with your own time, your energy, and your personal attention, which means you're stuck in what we call the expert's dilemma. You max out at 10 to 15 high-touch clients, your income has a hard ceiling attached to your calendar, you're working 60-plus hour weeks, but still can't keep up with all of your clients, and eventually, inevitably, you burn out. And maybe you've even tried the alternatives. Courses, 97% of buyers never finish, they get stuck, can't get personalized help, and either refund or disappear unsatisfied. Group coaching, well, it's better, but you're still trading time for money, and half your clients don't get the personalized attention they actually need to get transformational results. Hiring more coaches, that's expensive, inconsistent, and they all obviously never deliver your methodology the way you would. So now you're really left with only two dead-end options. You stay small and burnt out with a capped income, or you try to scale and watch quality collapse. But the good news is now, thanks to AI, there's a third option that actually solves the expert's dilemma by enabling you to infinitely scale your proprietary expertise and serve unlimited clients on autopilot without any of your own personal time. And now you may be asking yourself, if this is so game-changing, why isn't everyone doing it? Well, it's because building a custom AI expert platform like these top industry leaders would typically require hiring an entire development team, 12 plus months of time, and 6 to 7 figures in costs. But now, for the first time ever, you can launch your own custom branded AI expert platform trained exclusively on your domain expertise in under 24 hours. No code, no developers, no technical skills required. Introducing Expert AIQ, the world's first all-in-one white label AI expert platform built specifically for high-ticket coaches, consultants, and course creators. This isn't a chatbot. This isn't an AI avatar or AI clone. This isn't a ChatGPT app. This is something entirely new and exponentially more powerful. Expert AIQ merges your human IQ, your proprietary knowledge, frameworks, and expertise with the unprecedented power of AI to create an infinitely scalable digital AI expert clone of you, available to every client, fully personalized to their specific situation, working for you 24/7, 365 without requiring a single second of your time. Expert AIQ unlocks a brand new, never before possible AI expert business model that will transform the entire $300 plus online education industry forever. The scalability of courses, the personalization of one-to-one coaching, the recurring revenue of software, and the future-proof compounding value of intellectual property, all in one single platform. This is what the top 1% of experts have figured out. This is the future of the entire online education industry, whether you're ready or not, and this is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to move first and dominate before all of your competition catches on very soon. Now, let me show you exactly what I mean with a side-by-side comparison of courses and coaching versus AI experts. Evolution number 1, packaging your expertise. Now, the old way with courses and coaching, you would spend hours, sometimes weeks, manually organizing your expertise into books, courses, and coaching programs, recording video courses, writing workbooks, building slide decks. It's extremely exhausting. The new way with AI experts, though, you simply just connect your Google Drive and other social accounts if you'd like, upload your expertise, including documents, videos, transcripts, whatever you have, and AI does the heavy lifting automatically to train your AI expert, and it takes minutes instead of months. Evolution number 2, how your clients get guidance. The old way with courses and coaching, the students would consume hours of generic videos and materials, watch module 1 before module 2. There's no shortcuts, no personalization, just complete content overload. But the new way, your AI expert gives instant answers via chat, no watching hours of content anymore. They simply just ask and get exactly what they need, personalized for them right when they need it. Now, evolution number 3, personalization. The old way with courses and coaching, it's a one-size-fits-all approach. Same content for everyone, zero adaptation for individual needs, goals, or learning styles. You take it as you leave it. But the new way with AI experts, you have a 100% personalized experience for each and every client. Your AI remembers every conversation, adapts to each user's goals, challenges, and progress, and then provides custom coaching for everyone automatically. Evolution number 4, who does the work? Well, the old way with courses and coaching, students do all the work. They have to figure everything out themselves, apply the concepts, connect the dots, and let's be honest, nobody wants to do the work anymore. That's why course completion rates are abysmal and results are inconsistent. Now, the new way, AI does the work for them. Done for you guidance, instant application, and students get results without the struggle. It's instant gratification meets real AI transformation. Evolution number 5, and most importantly, the scalability factor. So the old way with courses and coaching, you're stuck in a time for money trap, and you can only serve 5 to 10 clients at premium pricing before you max out completely. But the new way with AI experts, you're able to serve hundreds of clients simultaneously with zero extra work, and your AI clone handles everything 24/7, 365 while you sleep. So if you can see the pattern here, this isn't a small 10% improvement. This isn't a minor upgrade. This is a complete 10x transformation and upgrade from generic courses and coaching to personalized AI-powered transformation. And this is exactly why AI experts are the inevitable evolution of the entire online education industry for courses, coaching, and consultants. And the cold hard truth is, the traditional expert business model is fundamentally broken. It always has been, and it's already starting to collapse under its own weight now in 2026 if you haven't figured this out already. So here's the downward spiral that ultimately ends up every time. With step number 1, you acquire new clients, but those new clients require more strain on your team and yourself. So you sign a new client, exciting, right? Well, here's the problem. Every new client you sign becomes another weight on your shoulders. Your calendar fills up, your energy drains, you're working harder than ever just to keep up. Then in step number 2, more one-to-one time requires you to hire more employees. So eventually you hit your capacity ceiling, you physically cannot take on another client, and the only solution is to hire more team members to handle the overflow. So now your payroll explodes while your margins shrink. Then next, in step number 3, higher cost equal more complexity. So more people means more problems, training, management, HR issues, miscommunication, quality control. You're now running a personnel operation instead of doing what you actually love. Your business becomes more complex, not simpler. Then next, in step number 4, those same team members that you just hired, they're going to leave or get fired, which equals knowledge lost. So then the inevitable happens, your best employee quits, maybe they go to start their own thing, maybe they get poached. Either way, they take all their client relationships, your methodologies they learned, and months of institutional knowledge right out of the door with them. Then in step number 5, you need to start over again and rehire and retrain more employees. And now you're back to square one, posting job listings, interviewing candidates, spending months training them on your methods, employees. Meanwhile, clients suffer, revenue leaks, and quality drops. And then what happens? The cycle repeats endlessly. You sign more clients, hit your capacity again, hire more people, deal with more complexity, watch them leave, and then start it all over again. This is the expert's dilemma trap, and this is why you feel like you're running on a hamster wheel that keeps spinning faster and faster. But here's the brutal truth nobody tells you. In the traditional model, your business gets more problematic the bigger it grows, not less. You're building a house of cards, and eventually it will collapse unless you decide to stay small with a capped income. But now let me show you what happens when you flip this entire model on its head with your own AI expert. So instead of a downward spiral that drains you, this is a new, never before possible AI-powered flywheel that compounds and accelerates with every single client. This is the AI-powered coaching and consulting model. So here's how it works. Step number one, every single new client that you bring on gets directly plugged into your AI. So a new client joins, but instead of adding weight to your shoulders, they instantly get access to your complete expertise through your AI expert. No onboarding delays, no waiting for your calendar. They're getting value from day one, 24/7. Then in step number two, with more client interactions, your AI learns. So now here's where it gets even more powerful, because every single conversation that the client has with your AI makes it smarter. Questions you answer once become permanently embedded in your system now. You're not just serving clients, you're building an appreciating asset with every single client interaction. Then in step number three, your knowledge compounds. So client number 50 benefits from every single insight gained from clients 1 through 3 with your AI system. Your collective wisdom compounds across your entire client base automatically, and the more clients you have, the smarter your AI becomes and the better results everyone gets. Then in step number 4, the better client experience comes from even more personalization. So because your AI remembers everything and learns constantly, clients get instant personalized responses that sound exactly like you. No more waiting days for email replies, no more generic cookie cutter advice. Satisfaction skyrockets and results accelerate for your clients. Then in step number 5, retention for your business. So happy clients stay longer, they refer others, your lifetime value doubles while your acquisition costs drop. Growth becomes effortless because your system literally sells itself through better results. And then what happens? The loop accelerates. More clients equals stronger AI equals better results equal more referrals, and more referrals equal more clients and more revenue. It's a positive compounding cycle where every single client makes the system stronger for everyone, not weaker. So these are the clear differences between both models. In the old model, you're building a house of cards. In the new model, you're building a self-improving AI asset that gets stronger over time. And this is exactly why the top 1% of experts in the coaching, consulting, and course industry are making the shift right now, because it's the only expert business model that can actually scale without breaking, thanks to the unprecedented power of AI with Expert AIQ. Now, while the entire course and high-ticket coaching industry is getting completely disrupted by AI and putting many people out of business or out of a job, the good news is traditional coaches, consultants, and course creators that have upgraded their business with an AI expert are having more success than even ever before. And don't just listen to us, listen to our actual Expert AIQ users talk about how AI experts have transformed their business. Like Mark, a high-ticket coach, who said,
"Not only have we been able to close more clients, but we've also been getting a bunch of great feedback from our clients saying that our AI has been super helpful for them."
Or David, selling real estate courses, who said,
"We've recently added Expert AIQ as a bonus with our course, and the results have been great so far. It's handling a lot of support for us. Our refunds went down, and we've been able to charge more for the course."
And there are many other testimonials from other users across all different industries, which you can check out on this page and on our website too. So now let me pull back the curtain and show you exactly how Expert AIQ works. At the core of Expert AIQ is our proprietary self-improving intelligence system. It's built on 4 powerful components that work together in sync to power the world's first all-in-one AI expert platform. Component number 1, the Knowledge IQ brain. So here's the fundamental problem with ChatGPT and other popular AI platforms. They're trained on the entire internet, which means it gives the same generic surface level advice to everyone, which people are now calling AI slop. They ask a question about scaling their business and they receive worthless advice scraped from random articles and blog posts with virtually zero context. But your knowledge IQ brain is different. You upload your content, documents, training videos, SOPs, course materials, coaching calls, and your AI is trained exclusively on your own proprietary domain expertise. So when a client asks a question, they don't get generic AI slop internet advice. They get your frameworks, your insights, your battle-tested strategies. This is your future-proof competitive moat in the age of AI. Because here's the thing, your competitors can now copy your course virtually overnight with AI. They can steal your frameworks, they can even rip off your marketing too, but they cannot copy you. And now, for the first time ever, you can scale infinitely to serve unlimited clients without your own personal time involved, thanks to Expert AIQ. Next, we have component number 2, personality DNA. So here's where most AI platforms completely fail. They sound like robots, cold, bland, lifeless. Every response reads like it was written by a corporate committee. But your coaching isn't generic. You have a unique style, a specific energy, a way of connecting with clients that make them feel understood. That's what makes you, you. And Expert AIQ's personality DNA feature captures your unique communication style so every response feels like it's coming directly from you. The system analyzes your uploaded content to configure your exact style. Then you can fine-tune it with personality sliders, adjusting tone, energy, formality, humor, and more until your AI sounds exactly like you would in a real-life coaching session. Warm and nurturing, direct and challenging, casual or conversational, you decide. Your clients won't feel like they're talking to a robot anymore like every other AI platform. They feel like they're talking to you. Next, component number 3, our client personalization engine. So the number one fatal flaw of courses and group coaching is that they're a one-size-fits-all training model. Everyone gets the same training, the same lessons, the same pace, even though every client is completely different. Different starting points, different challenges, different learning styles, different goals. That's why 97% of course buyers never finish. That's why so many clients never get results. And that's why you always get some refunds and bad reviews no matter how good your training actually is. And this is where Expert AIQ becomes an absolute game changer, because now, for the first time ever, every single client can receive a completely personalized experience tailored specifically to them. So here's how it works. When a new client joins, your AI conducts an intelligent onboarding Q&A with your own custom relevant questions, such as what are their specific goals? What challenges are they facing right now? What's their experience level? How do they prefer to learn? And then this information is then stored in their individual client intelligence profile, which is constantly updated and fine-tuned with each and every interaction. So now every response is deeply personalized, referencing their specific goals and challenges, adapting explanations to their experience level, providing examples relevant to their specific situation, adjusting pacing based on their progress, and even anticipating their own questions before they even ask. A brand new beginner gets step-by-step fundamentals with lots of handholding, while an experienced practitioner gets advanced strategies without the basic fluff. Same AI, same knowledge, completely personalized experience. This is the kind of custom-tailored coaching and consulting experience that previously required your own personal time in one-on-one sessions, but now it's available at an infinite scale for all your clients. And the result? Well, your clients get dramatically better results, your testimonials skyrocket, and your business earns more revenue overall from clients staying longer, less refunds, and even referring other clients too. Then next we have component number 4, multi-dimensional memory. So this is our secret weapon, and it's what creates an impossible to leave client experience. So most AI chatbot platforms have little to no long-term memory. Every new conversation starts from scratch. The AI forgets almost everything the moment the chat ends. It's like having a coach with amnesia. But Expert AIQ's multi-dimensional memory is completely different. Your AI remembers everything about each client across multiple different dimensions, such as conversational memory, where every conversation is captured in perfect detail; goal memory, all stated objectives, milestones, and ambitions of the client; challenge memory, every obstacle, frustration, and pain point; progress memory, all of your clients' wins, achievements, and growth over time; preference memory, how they learn best and communicate; and then also episodic memory, which is significant breakthroughs and transformational moments. So this all combined creates something magical. Conversations feel like a real long-term coaching relationship, not disconnected exchanges with a forgetful, soulless robot. Your AI provides fully contextual responses, like last week you mentioned struggling with delegation. How did that conversation with your team member go? You've been working on this goal for 3 months now and you're 75% there. What's the one thing blocking you from finishing? Remember when you overcame that similar challenge last month? You used the framework we discussed. Could we use that same approach here? And here's the game-changing part. Your AI now becomes more personalized, accurate, and valuable to clients with each and every interaction. After 3 months, your AI expert knows your client better than most human coaches ever could. After 6 months, it's an irreplaceable part of their transformational journey. After 12 months, switching to a competitor would mean losing all of that built up intelligence, progress tracking, and relationship history. Now that's lock-in, that's defensibility, that's a real AI-proof competitive moat in this new hyper-competitive AI era. So these are the exact 4 components that will enable you to build an automatically appreciating AI expert asset with our self-improving intelligence system. While your competitors' courses gather dust and become outdated, your AI expert is continuously evolving and improving. Every client interaction makes it smarter, every piece of feedback refines its responses, every new situation teaches it something new. This is true, real intellectual property that compounds in value over time. Your AI expert will be exponentially more valuable in 5 years, while traditional courses and coaching programs will become worthless relics of the past. This is the revolutionary AI-powered transformation of the entire high-ticket coaching, consulting, and course industry, and you have the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be on the forefront. Now let me show you how to get new clients organically for free without spending any money on ads or social media using one of the most powerful product-led growth features built into Expert AIQ. We call it the Viral AI Expert Sharing Flywheel, and it essentially transforms your clients into your own free marketing army without you having to lift a finger. So here's exactly how it works. Step number 1, your AI delivers value to them. Your client asks your AI expert a question and gets a breakthrough response inside your Expert AIQ chat that's 10 times better than ChatGPT, something that genuinely helps them, a real aha moment for your AI expert. Then in step number 2, the student then shares that chat. So now here's what happens naturally. They simply click the share button on the AI chat inside Expert AIQ and share the chat link on social media or in one of their friend group chats. Why? Well, it's because people love sharing wins. They love showing off cool new tools with friends, especially in the AI space, that make them look smart. It's just simple human psychology. Then in step number 3, their friends network views the post. Their followers, friends, and colleagues see the post, but here's the key. It's not an ad. It's not you promoting yourself. It's a trusted peer endorsement, which is 10x more powerful than any ad you could ever run. Then in step number 4, the friends click through on the post because their curiosity is triggered. Their network thinks, wait, what is this? I want that too. Then they click through to learn more about your specific AI expert. Then in step number 5, your friends view the responses. They actually see the value of your AI expert response that they can't find anywhere else, and the value is demonstrated right there. There's no sales pitch needed. The proof of value is directly inside the chat to them. Then in step number 6, the best part, their friend then signs up and pays because they've already seen the value, because it came from someone they trust. They sign up and they pay for your AI expert subscription, and then that cycle repeats. And now the newly referred client gets another breakthrough response themselves, and they share it to their friends too, and then this self-growing client flywheel compounds daily, bringing you in a new steady flow of pre-sold clients on autopilot for free every single day. So every single client interaction is a potential marketing moment. Every breakthrough response could be your next viral post, and every satisfied client becomes a walking billboard for your AI expert. A perfect win-win scenario. You're not paying for ads, you're not begging for referrals, your AI is literally generating word-of-mouth marketing for you 24/7 just by being actually valuable to your clients. And this is how you scale without scaling your ad budget. This is how you grow without grinding on content creation. And this is our built-in viral growth. And it comes standard with every Expert AIQ AI expert. Now let me show you how to turn your AI expert into a revenue generating machine. These are the top 3 proven monetization strategies for Expert AIQ. So strategy number 1, we have the free lead magnet plus high ticket upsell. So deploy your AI expert as a free lead magnet that generates qualified leads 24/7. allow prospects to experience your expertise firsthand. They get real results and they build trust with you before ever getting on a sales call. Then you're able to upsell them into your more premium offers, such as your one-on-one coaching programs, your high-ticket consulting packages, your group mastermind programs, or even your done-for-you services. Your close rates will skyrocket because prospects already know, trust, and have gotten results from your AI. Number 2, we have the Premium AI Expert add-on bonus. So bolt Expert AIQ onto your existing offers as a premium bonus or upgrade. So for courses, include AI Expert access that guides students through your curriculum. For coaching, provide 24/7 AI support between your live sessions. For consulting, give clients on-demand access to your personalized AI advice. And even for communities, make your school, circle, or Discord 10x stickier with AI support. So this instantly increases your program's perceived value, boosts conversions, improves completion rates, and dramatically enhances client results. So you're no longer just selling a course or coaching anymore. You're selling a complete AI-powered transformation system with 24/7 personalized coaching. Lastly, we have strategy number 3, the standalone AI Expert subscription. So launch your AI Expert as a standalone subscription product using the super profitable Alex Hormozi initiation fee plus monthly fee irresistible offer model that he actually uses for his own personal AI Expert platform. So for this example, let's say we charge a super affordable $1,000 one-time upfront initiation fee. So basically the price of the average course plus a $97 per month recurring subscription. Well, we would only need to onboard a measly 5 clients per month, about 1 per week, to essentially hit 6 figures in yearly revenue with our Expert AIQ platform, almost double the average salary in the United States. And remember, this requires virtually 0 of your own personal time, 2, since your AI is doing all the work now. So now, for the first time ever, you can provide personalized one-on-one coaching to clients at the affordable cost of a software subscription for them. Your clients get personalized premium level guidance, and you get upfront cash flow plus scalable recurring revenue. Everyone wins. So now let me show you exactly how to actually launch your AI Expert in under 24 hours. No code, no developers, no technical skills required. So for step number 1, you're going to connect your AI engine. So most AI platforms force you into their own servers using their models with their markup on every single AI message. You're locked into their ecosystem with 0 control. But with Expert AIQ, we are different. We've designed the platform with a bring your own keys model that gives you complete control, security, and flexibility. Simply just copy and paste your API key and database key into Expert AIQ, which takes less than a couple minutes max, and you're all set. Your data stays 100% secure. You're never locked in. Then in step number 2, you're going to be custom branding your platform. Upload your logo, choose your colors, connect your custom domain, and now from this moment forward, your clients will only see your brand. There is 0 mention of Expert AIQ anywhere, and as far as your clients know, you built this entire platform yourself. Next is step number 3, uploading your knowledge, the most important part. So you're going to be connecting your Google Drive, linking your social accounts, uploading your documents, training videos, SOPs, course materials, and coaching calls. And then our system automatically processes everything for you and builds your proprietary knowledge IQ brain. Then next, in step number 4, you're going to be customizing your personality. So the system analyzes your content and configures your AI's communication style to match your natural voice. And then you're also able to fine tune it with personality sliders until your AI sounds exactly like you. Warm and nurturing, direct and challenging, casual or conversational, you decide. Then in step number 5, you're going to be setting up your client onboarding. So you're going to create your client onboarding flow. So you're going to be able to set up the personalized, relevant questions you would personally ask new clients in a real one-on-one coaching session, like their goals, challenges, experience level, and preferences. And then these answers automatically populate each client's intelligence profile. And then instantly now every single AI interaction from that point forward is fully personalized. And that's it. You're live. You can share your custom domain anywhere, embed it on your website, include it in your courses, drop it in your community, invite clients directly via email, whatever you'd like. So now that we've covered exactly how Expert AIQ works, how to make money with Expert AIQ, and how to launch your own AI expert in under 24 hours, let me ask you a question. Are you ready to launch your own AI expert today? Well, if the answer is yes, then let me show you how you can get started right now. So normally software platforms will charge you recurring monthly or yearly subscriptions, which can add up to as much as $5,964 or more per year. So after 5 years, that's around $29,000. After 10 years, it's close to $60,000. But now for our new Expert AIQ 2.0 lifetime deal launch event, we're doing something completely different for a very limited time. You can lock in lifetime unlimited access to Expert AIQ today for just a one-time single payment of $19.97. No monthly fees, pay once and you own it forever. So here's exactly what you're getting. You're getting lifetime access to Expert AIQ, the complete platform with all features forever. You're getting an unlimited knowledge base size, so there's zero storage limits. Unlimited messages, so no usage caps, no throttling, unlimited clients, scale as big as you want, complete white label branding, your logo, your colors, and custom domain, and all future updates 100% free forever. And lastly, and most importantly, your own personal dedicated account manager for white glove support whenever you need it. All for just a one-time single payment of $1,997, zero monthly fees, pay once, and you own it for life. Think about it, with essentially just one single extra course sale, you'll cover the entire investment forever. It's an absolute no-brainer deal. Plus, you're also protected by our 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. Try Expert AIQ risk-free for a full 30 days. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason whatsoever, we'll refund every penny. So the one and only risk here is missing out on this one-time exclusive opportunity to lock in lifetime access to Expert AIQ plus all future updates for just a one-time single payment of $1,997, while everyone else pays up to $6,000 plus per year in the very near future. And don't forget, according to the IRS tax code, you can write off 100% of this investment as a fully deductible business expense. But wait, we're not done yet, because I want to make this even more of a no-brainer for you by giving you a gift that you'll never see anywhere else but here. So we're so confident that Expert AIQ will help you generate revenue based on the proven results we're seeing from our users that we're actually going to be putting our money where our mouth is with our 1K in 30 days action taker challenge. So here's the deal. We challenge you to achieve at least $1,000 in verified sales through your Expert AIQ platform in your first 30 days. And if you succeed, we'll pay you back a $500 cash rebate. That's right, we'll pay you for having success with Expert AIQ. And I can promise you, you will not find anything like this anywhere else. But this isn't some gimmick. We want you to take action. We want you to succeed, because when you win, we get more testimonials to spread the word of our revolutionary new platform, and we win too. So let me ask you a simple question. Do you think Expert AIQ can help you achieve just one single extra sale this year? Just one single extra sale? Because if you look at the math, one extra course or coaching sale at $19.97 and your entire Expert AIQ investment is fully paid off forever. Just 2 to 3 extra sales, well, that's an immediate 2 to 3x return on your investment, better returns than you'll find anywhere else in the markets, I can promise you that. And remember, this is a one-time payment for lifetime access to Expert AIQ. You pay once and you own it forever, so every sale after that first one is pure profit for the rest of your life. So think about it this way. Would Expert AIQ be worth it if it helped you earn just one single extra sale this year, earning you thousands of dollars? 100% yes, absolutely. Would it be worth it if it helped you save just one single refund this year, costing you thousands of dollars? A refund you would have lost because a client got stuck and couldn't get help? Yes, 100%. Would it be worth it if it saved you just 2 to 3 hours per week answering the same questions over and over again? Hours you could be spending with your family or creating new content or closing more deals? Yes, obviously that's priceless. So I think we can both agree any one of these scenarios alone makes Expert AIQ more than worth the investment, and you're going to experience all of them right here when you get started. But wait, there's even more, because when you join Expert AIQ today, you'll also get instant lifetime access to our exclusive suite of 6 different free bonuses, including bonus number 1, our built-in offer engine payment system. So you can charge clients a variety of different irresistible offers with our customized end-to-end auto billing directly built into Expert AIQ. So we normally are taking a 10% cut of all fees processed through our payment system, but as a bonus today, you'll be grandfathered in with 0 fees for life. Then for bonus number 2, we have our 50-50 digital equity affiliate program. So we build it, you promote it, and we split the profits 50-50. So regular affiliates earn 20% commissions, but you'll be grandfathered into our exclusive program with unheard of 50% commissions for every referral for life. So this bonus alone is a potential 5 to 10K per month profit stream. Next, bonus number 3 is our all-in-one Expert AIQ built-in course platform. So replace your expensive course software like Kajabi, School, or ClickFunnels with lifetime unlimited access to our all-in-one course platform built into Expert AIQ and save thousands of dollars per year for life, more than the entire cost of this software. So there's no limits. You can upload unlimited courses, modules, and lessons to our course platform as a 100% free bonus with Expert AIQ. And it's not done yet. We have bonus number 4, our done-for-you marketing system. So launch your AI expert in under 5 minutes with our plug-and-play marketing system, including a beautiful white label website template, pre-made ad templates, pre-written email sequences, pre-built automations, and much more, 100% done for you. Bonus number 5, you're getting our pre-built AI system white label reseller vault. So get lifetime access to our rapidly growing members-only vault with 100+ pre-built specialized AI systems worth tens of thousands of dollars alone, so you can use them yourself or even upsell them to your clients for high ticket deals. And lastly, bonus number 6, we have our monetization playbooks. So these are step-by-step case study playbooks revealing exactly how to scale your coaching, consulting, or course business to 6 figures with Expert AIQ. Now, I think we both can agree the total value of all these exclusive bonuses alone is way more than the entire $1997 investment, but you're getting them for completely free with Expert AIQ today. So to get started, simply just click the button below this video, provide the one-time investment, and get instant lifetime access to Expert AIQ plus all bonuses. So listen, the entire $300 billion plus expert industry is resetting. Everyone is back at the starting line. The coaches, consultants, and course creators who move first on this massive AI opportunity will dominate their markets for the next decade. Everyone else will be playing catch up if they even survive at all. So you now have a choice to make. You can close this page and go back to trading time for money with a capped income and burn out trying to manually serve every client who needs you, or you can take action now and lock in your lifetime access to Expert AIQ so you can infinitely scale your expertise and serve unlimited clients without any of your personal time by simply leveraging the unprecedented power of AI. So once again, you can click the button below to lock in your lifetime access to Expert AIQ before this exclusive lifetime deal offer ends forever. So now to end off the video, let's do a short Q&A to answer the top 10 most frequently asked questions we get about Expert AIQ. First up, what if I'm not technical? So look, I get it. When you hear the word AI, you may be thinking this will take tons of technical skills to actually get started, but here's the truth. Expert AIQ was built by experts specifically for experts, not developers, not AI geniuses, regular coaches, consultants, and course creators just like you. The entire setup process for Expert AIQ is super simple and takes about 60 minutes max. Creating your account, 2 minutes. Pasting your API keys, around 15 minutes. We show you exactly where to click. Upload your logo and connect your custom domain, around 15 minutes. Drag and drop your content, 15 to 30 minutes. Click launch, the launch button, and that's it, you're live. If you can copy and paste on the computer, if you can drag and drop files, if you can manage your email inbox, then you have more than enough technical skills to actually launch your own AI expert today. Plus, don't forget, every single user gets a dedicated account manager who will literally walk you through the entire process step by step if you need help as well. So number 2, what is the BYO key, or bring your own API key model? So this is actually one of the biggest advantages of Expert AIQ over every other platform out there. Here's how most AI platforms work. They control your AI. They mark the costs up 10x. They lock you into their ecosystem, and you have zero control over your own data. But with Expert AIQ, we flip this model completely. With our bring your own key model, you connect your own API keys directly to the platform. So this means you're more secure. Your data flows directly through your accounts and are never stored on third-party servers. You have lower cost, so you're paying the wholesale rates. We're talking pennies per conversation instead of markup platform fees. You have full ownership. You own your API accounts. You're never locked into our platform or anyone else's. And the best part is your AI cost will keep dropping. So when AI prices fall 50%, and they will, you get the savings, not us. So it takes 2 minutes to set up, and you get a lifetime of complete control over your AI, your data, and your costs. That's the bring your own key advantage. Question number 3, what happens if AI gets better? So this is one of my favorite questions, because the answer actually is your AI expert gets smarter and even cheaper too. So think about it. When a new state-of-the-art AI model releases, we instantly integrate it and your AI gets smarter automatically. When AI costs drop, like we talked about, your margins increase because you pay less while delivering more value to clients and higher satisfaction with the more powerful, cheaper AI models. And when new AI features emerge, we simply just add them and you get them free forever. But here's where it gets really interesting, because while AI models are becoming commodities that everyone can access, your data becomes the most defensible AI-proof moat that no one can copy. Your proprietary training content, your entire client conversation history and multidimensional memory, your accumulated feedback and refinements from clients, and your 12 plus months of compounding intelligence. So competitors can't replicate 12 months of your AI learning from your clients. That's your unfair advantage. So the better AI gets, the more valuable your AI expert becomes while your costs go down. That's not a threat, that's a compounding AI opportunity. FAQ number 4, do I have enough content to train my AI expert? So the short answer is almost certainly yes. Some of our most successful users started with only a couple Google Docs and videos. That's it. So here's what your AI actually needs. It needs your own methodology, how you think about problems, your frameworks, the steps you take clients through, your unique insights, what you know that others don't, and your voice, how you explain things. What it does not need, a 500+ hour course library. You need quality over quantity every single time. And here's the beautiful part. Your AI actually learns over time. So you start with what you have today, and then you can add more tomorrow. It gets smarter with every new piece of intelligence that you add. So don't let I don't have enough content stop you. You probably have more than enough already to start with. FAQ number 5, will AI experts work in my specific niche? Well, people ask this all the time, and the answer is yes. If people are willing to pay for expertise in your niche in any format, Expert AIQ will work. So we've seen success across virtually every single industry: marketing and sales, finance and trading, careers and leadership, relationships and dating, spirituality and mindset, and many, many more. Here's the core principle. If you have knowledge that people pay for, if you have frameworks that get results, if you have expertise that's valuable, then an AI expert trained in your knowledge will be valuable too. The niche doesn't matter, the value of your expertise does. And if you're watching this presentation up to this point, you most likely already have that value. FAQ number 6, and very important, are there any ongoing costs? So I'm going to give you complete transparency here, no hidden fees, no surprises. So here's the breakdown. You're going to be charged for our Expert AIQ platform a one-time fee of $19.97. That's it. Lifetime access, pay once, and you own it forever. Then you have your Superbase database API key, which is free forever on their free tier, which covers the majority of users unless you're a massive, massive power user. So that's going to be free forever. You're simply just pasting the API key and using their free tier. Then you have your AI model API, such as ChatGPT, and that's going to cost roughly around $20 to $100 plus per month, depending on your usage, and that's charged directly through the OpenAI platform. We are not charging you any other fees after our one single lifetime deal. So now let me show you what you'll never pay. You'll never pay any monthly subscription fees, none. You'll never pay any per client fees to us. You'll never pay any per message fees to us or any other surprise charges. You pay once and you own it forever. So the typical coach using our platform will have around 95+% profit margins on their subscriptions, including the AI model API costs. So the cost is very minimal. And like I said, the AI model costs are dropping rapidly each and every month. And with our bring your own key model, all of those cost savings, like we talked about, are instantly put directly back into your pocket instead of ours. FAQ number 7, why is this better than courses and coaching? So here's a question that gets to the heart of everything. Let me give you the clear side-by-side comparison. So with online courses, you get unlimited scalability, which is great, but here's the problem. There's zero personalization. Everyone gets the same content, whether they're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro. And that's why only 3 to 5% of people ever finish courses, and you're stuck with one-time sales, maybe $50 to $100 per sale, and then you're constantly chasing the next customer. Now, with one-on-one coaching, you flip the equation. You get high personalization, great completion rates, and you can charge premium prices, $3,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 plus per client. But you hit that ceiling we talked about earlier with the expert's dilemma. You're maxed out at 10 to 15 clients because every single session requires your time, your energy, and your presence. So you're forced to choose scale without personalization or personalize without scale. Until now, because an AI expert gives you both. Unlimited scalability like a course with deep personalization like one-on-one coaching. Your AI is available 24/7, so clients get support whenever they need it. And because it's personalized, completion rates jump 70 to 90%. But here's the real kicker. Instead of one-time payments, you can charge monthly recurring subscriptions now at $97 per month, $197 per month, or even $997 per month. That's predictable revenue that compounds month over month. Same expertise, infinite scale, deep personalization, and recurring revenue. And that's why AI experts aren't just better, they're the evolution of this entire $300 billion plus online education industry. So FAQ number 8, how is this better than ChatGPT? So listen, ChatGPT is impressive, but here's why it's not even close to the same thing as Expert AIQ. So ChatGPT, like we talked about, is trained on the entire internet, which means when your client asks a question, they get generic advice scraped from random articles and blog posts. The same AI slop that everyone else gets. There's very little memory, so every conversation essentially starts from scratch, and it has OpenAI's branding all over it. But Expert AIQ flips all of that. Your AI is now trained exclusively on your frameworks and methodology, not generic internet advice. It remembers everything across each client, across multiple different dimensions, their goals, challenges, progress, preferences, and it sounds exactly like you because of our personality DNA system. And the best part, obviously, it's 100% white labeled with your own brand with zero mention of Expert AIQ or anywhere else. And most importantly, clients are paying you, not the other way around with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a generic tool that commoditizes knowledge. Your AI expert is a proprietary business asset that monetizes your unique expertise. That's the difference between using AI and owning your own AI. FAQ number 9, what kind of support do I get? So this is where we really go above and beyond. Every single Expert AIQ user gets a dedicated account manager, so a real USA-based human assigned specifically to your success, not a random support ticket, a real person who knows your account. You get priority email support, so responses normally within an hour or two, usually much faster. One-on-one setup assistance, so if you get stuck anywhere, we'll personally walk you through it. And we also have an entire training library with step-by-step video tutorials and knowledge base for absolutely everything you need to know about Expert AIQ. So we're not in the business of just selling you software. We're in the business of making you successful with AI experts because, like I said before, your success is our success. When you win, we win too. So finally, FAQ number 10, what happens next after I buy? So here's the exact timeline of what happens next step by step. So step number 1, you're going to get instant access to Expert AIQ, the Expert AIQ platform. Step number 2, you're going to receive your welcome email with your login and quick start guide. Step number 3, your dedicated account manager is going to reach out immediately. Step number 4, you're going to simply follow the setup wizard with your API keys, your branding, and your content uploading, taking you around 30 to 60 minutes. And then step number 5, your AI expert will now be live, most times same day. So that's it. You literally could be serving clients with your new AI expert by the end of today. No waiting weeks for developers, no complicated technical setup, no confusion. So you just click the button below, get instant access, follow the wizard, and go live. It's really that simple. So now that we've completed our top 10 FAQ questions, the only question left now for you is, are you ready to launch your own AI expert today? Click the button below to lock in your lifetime access to Expert AIQ before this exclusive lifetime deal offer ends forever. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing your new AI expert with Expert AIQ.